In this lecture, we will find the solution of exercise 4.4 for the chapter quadratic equation. Let's begin. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला प्रश्न. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. हमारे पास 3 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. हम देखेंगे कि इसका रियल रूट्स है कि नहीं. अगर है तो उसको फाइंड करेंगे. जो हमारे पास है 3 चॉइसेस है, उसको यूज करके हम उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालेंगे. तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? 2x² - 3x 2x² - 3x + 5 = 0. To find its nature of the roots, so let's say a is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, c is equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of d or discriminant. For that, b² minus 4ac is equal to -3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5, that will be 9 minus 40 is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. So as the value of the discriminant is less than 0, अगर 0 से छोटा होगा तो इसका कोई रियल रूट्स नहीं होगा. सो नो रियल रूट्स आते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं अगला प्रश्न क्या है. 3x² - 4√3x + 4 = 0. वैसे ही सेम तरीक़ा से करेंगे. a = 3, b = -4√3, c = 4. Now finding the value of a discriminant, that is b² minus 4ac is equal to -4√3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, that is 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. As the value of discriminant becomes 0, so it has 2 real and equal roots. अगर है तो हम इसका रूट्स निकालेंगे. हमारे पास इक्वेशन क्या है? 3x² - 4√3x + 4 = 0. ये हमारा इक्वेशन है. चलिए इसको फैक्टराइज करके करते हैं, या फिर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को यूज करके भी हम कर सकते हैं, उसका फार्मूला यूज करके. तो चलिए यहाँ पर यूज करते हैं 3x² - 2√3x - 2√3x + 4 = 0. implies that अगर हम √3x को कॉमन ले जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? √3x - 2, अगर -2 कॉमन लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा √3x - 2 = 0. implies that √3x - 2 whole into √3x - 2 = 0. Now we have to equate each factor with 0, that is √3x - 2 = 0 or √3x - 2 = 0. implies that √3x = 2 or √3x = 2. implies that x is equal to 2/√3 or x is equal to 2 by root 3. On rationalizing the denominator, we will get 2 root 3 by 3 or x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. So after rationalization the denominator. So the next question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. So let's say a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Finding the value of a discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is 36 minus 24 is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. एज अगर 0 से बड़ा है तो इसका रियल रूट होगा 2 डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट. Let solve this equation by using quadratic formula. So 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Applying quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac square root by 2 implies that x is equal to minus of minus 6 plus or minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a into c root over by 2 into 2. That will be 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 square root by 4 implies that or which is equal to 6 plus or minus root over of 12 by 4. 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. Taking 2 common, here we will get 3 plus or minus root 3. By 4. So 2 4 get cancelled, imply that x will be 3 plus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the two solutions, that is x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. For question number 2, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so they have two equal roots. हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन है 2x स्क्वायर प्लस kx प्लस 3, 2x स्क्वायर प्लस kx प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. यह एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है और दिया गया है कि इसका दो इक्वल रूट्स है, रियल रूट्स. तो उसका कंडीशन अप्लाई करके हमको k का वैल्यू निकालना है. वेरी सिंपल. 2 b इज k, c इज 3. फॉर 2 इक्वल रूट्स, ये हमको दिया गया है कि इसका दो इक्वल रूट है. फॉर 2 इक्वल रूट्स, द कंडीशन इज discriminant is 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. putting the values, that is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Four into a is 2, c is 3. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Implies that k square is equal to 24. Implies that k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. So implies that k is equal to or plus or minus 2 root 6, that is plus 2 root 6, or k is equal to minus 2 root 6. So these are the two solution, or the value of k is plus 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6. Come to the next question. Why same thing? Kx whole into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. चलिए पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. के एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2kx प्लस 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. हमारे पास ये एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. लिख लीजिए ए का वैल्यू क्या है के, बी का वैल्यू क्या है माइनस 2k, सी का वैल्यू क्या है 6. भाई दिया गया है कि इक्वल रूट्स है. फॉर 2 इक्वल रूट्स हमारे पास कंडीशन क्या है, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac विल बी 0, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac विल बी 0, पुटिंग द वैल्यूज माइनस 2k होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू k इंटू c इज 6 इज इक्वल टू 0. Now 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Taking 4k common, here will be k minus 6 is equal to 0. Implies that 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Implies that k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Because if you see, this is a quadratic equation, that's why there are two values of k. For question number 3, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice of its breadth and the area is 800 मीटर स्क्वायर. हमको ऐसा दिया गया है कि क्या ऐसा है कि रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड पॉसिबल है जिसका लेंथ ब्रेड्थ का दुगना हो और इसका जो एरिया है 800 मीटर स्क्वायर हो. सो लेट्स से चलिए देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. लेट्स से लेट द ब्रेड्थ इज इक्वल टू x, लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड will be 2x. So area of the rectangular field is equal to length into breadth, that is implies that 2x, that is 2x into x, that is 2x square मीटर स्क्वायर. ये होना चाहिए एरिया 2x स्क्वायर. और यहाँ पर क्या दिया गया है कि इसका एरिया 800 मीटर स्क्वायर है. सो इफ यू एक्सप्रेस इट in the form a quadratic equation, then we will see according to question 2x square is equal to 800 implies that x square is equal to 800 by 2 which is equal to 400 implies that x will be plus or minus 400 square root, that is plus or minus 20, that is x is equal to 20 or x is equal to minus 20. So we have to take x is equal to, so the breadth is 20 meter and length is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 20, that is equal to 40 meter. So yes, it is possible because we have got a real values, or from this we can form a quadratic equation. This is x square minus 400 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. If you see here, a is 1, b is equal to 0, c is minus 400. If you find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0 square minus 4 into 1 into 400 minus 400, that will be 1600. Which is greater than 0, so it is two positive real roots. So yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice of its breadth and its area will be 800 meters square. For question number 4, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. So let's say there are two friends. Let's say there are two friends, A and B. So sum of their present age is 20 before 4 years, means let's say if the present age is x of A, the present age of A is x, then B, the present age will be 20 minus x. So before 4 years, the age of A will be x minus 4. माइनस 4 कर देंगे, यहाँ से अगर -4 करेंगे 4 साल पहले इसका एज कितना होगा, ये होगा 16 माइनस एक्स. ये दिया गया है कि 4 साल पहले इनका जो एज था, अगर उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमको कितना मिलेगा, 48 मिलेगा. तो चलिए देखते हैं. लेट प्रेजेंट age of A is equal to x. Now present age of B will be 20 minus x, that is years. So after before 4 years, age of A will be x minus 4 years before 4 years age of B was 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x years. And product according to question, product of their ages before 4 years, that means x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Let's make a quadratic equation, that is 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Implies that minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. Imply that minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. Multiplying minus 1, x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Let's check it has some real roots or not. For that, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112. Just find the value of b square minus 4ac, because to find the nature of, or for the existence of nature of roots, real roots, we have to find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a into, that is 400 minus 480, that is minus 48, which is less than 0. So no real roots are there. So no real roots are there. We can't find their edges, as it don't give any real values. Now the first question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? So find its length and breadth. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है, वी हैव ए रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क. क्या ऐसा पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि इसका जो पेरीमीटर है, जो आउटर लाइन है, वो कितना हो जाएगा? 80 मीटर its perimeter and area will be 400 meter square. Let's say its breadth is x and length is y. Let breadth of the park is equal to x meter. Length of the park y meter. Then its perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 whole into x plus y meter. According to question, इसका पेरीमीटर कितना दिया गया है? 2 होल इंटू, पहले से ही पेरीमीटर दे रखा है कि वो 80 मीटर है. Implies that x plus y इज इक्वल टू 80/2 इज इक्वल टू 40। तो हमारे पास ये एक इक्वेशन है x plus y इज इक्वल टू 40। और दूसरा इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा, इसका एरिया क्या है, एरिया ऑफ rectangular park is x into y, that is length into breadth. But according to question it is given that xy is equal to 400 meter square. Putting the values of y from this equation, if x plus y is equal to 40, here we get y is equal to 40 minus x. From this equation x plus y is equal to 40, we will get y is equal to 40 minus x. Putting the value of y in this equation, this is our equation 2, implies that x into 40 minus x is equal to 400, implies that 40x minus x square is equal to 400, implies that minus x square plus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0, implies that on multiplying minus 1x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. To check whether it has some real roots or not, let's say here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, c is equal to 400. To find the value of a discriminant, b square minus 4ac, that is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400, that is 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. Yes, so it has some real roots, 2 equal real roots. Let's find its solution. Let's find out its solution by using quadratic formula also, or by factorization you can also find its values. So we have the equation x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. If by completing square, this is x whole square minus 2 into x into 20 plus 20 square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is x minus 20 whole square is equal to 0, implies that x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 20. So that is its breadth breadth is 20 meter and the length is 40 minus x, that is 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 meter. So length is 20 meter and breadth is also 20 meter. That means it is a square. If in a rectangle two adjacent sides are equal, then it will give you a square.